Hi guys, so it's going to be a short course regarding email marketing. Why? Because actually I gave some advice to a friend whose business stopped because of the pandemic, and he made 60,000 euros in over 4 weeks. So you see that's his. So that's in French, okay? My friend is French. I'm French too. It's okay. So that's his online store dashboard, and you see that from the 22nd of March 2020 to the 25th of April 2020, he made over 60,000 euros in sales, which is actually a big deal for him because he sells mostly to restaurants and retail, but he's got a website. But last year, the whole year 2019, they made 100,000 euros in revenue. So 60,000 in 4 weeks. It's a pretty big deal for him, and he was so happy with this. And and I know that most of the people do it wrong. So I wanted to create this course to give you pretty much everything I know to do product launches by email, but not like fancy ones, not like complicated ones, like very simple ones. Okay, so let's go back to the mind map. So we're gonna see how we made 30,000. So dollars, euros, they were euros actually, but doesn't matter. So 30,000 in 1 week. Then how he was able to make 30,000 the following 3 weeks, and how to grow from there. You know, it's important because after you make a launch, you need to keep making money. So I'm gonna show you how you can do this easily. Okay, so as just like many other entrepreneurs, my friend's business stopped. Okay, he sells Spanish ham to retail stores and restaurants mostly. So the restaurants closed, so he had like no customers to sell to. So his business got stopped, and he was looking for solutions to keep making money. He's got employees, he's got expenses. And he told me I'm gonna do a promotion on my list, and we've known each other for 10 years, so he knows what I do, and I was like, oh, okay. So, and I don't know why, if he told me exactly what he was gonna do or whatever, but I was like, you e-commerce guys are crazy. Like when you run a promotion to your list, you send just one email, and no marketer would ever do this. Like we never do it. It doesn't work. It's bad. So I gave him a very basic email sequence template, but just like, over the phone. And he made $30,000 in 1 week. And he was so excited during the launch. It was really nice. I really enjoyed it. And he kept making money. So I was like, oh, I'm going to make a short course to teach people, because I know that most of the people do it wrong. Okay. So he's got a list of only 2,000 people, so that's really good. Okay, so here is the email launch template, and so I've done internet marketing since 2010, and I've been living off email marketing pretty much since 2010. Okay, right now in my business we have a list of around 90,000 people, and we send, I don't know, I would need to check it out, but I'd say now close to 3 million emails per month. Okay, we run promotions to our list every single week. I've been doing it for years. Okay, but what I'm gonna share with you, these are the most basic and important things you need to know. Okay, there is no need to be like super sophisticated. It's very simple actually. Okay, so the framework is this. So the first email you send, that's the opportunity. And if you study, I don't know if you've heard of Jeff Walker product launch formula. So I did like product launches with JVs for years in the early 2010s. I was a member of Jeff's mastermind group, so I've seen it all, believe me. But they require a lot of work, a lot of preparation, and today I prefer to do it in a more easy way. You know, it's so you don't have much to prepare. So the first email, that's the opportunity. So you let people know about something new, about an opportunity. Okay, and usually I link straight to the sales page. Okay, so when you do a big product launch, you send first to like pre-launch content, usually videos, and then you open sales in the second week. But that's because usually you sell an expensive product like $1,000, $2,000. Most of you guys won't do this, or if you do it, I would recommend you to do it over the phone. That's what we do. We sell coaching programs from $3,000 to $6,000 like every day, literally. But when we sell by email, we sell like cheaper offers. Okay, so you send a short email that lets people know about the offer. So I'm going to show you like a launch that I did for a $7 course. So that was the new system to launch a business in 2020. So actually that's a very, very long email for a first email. And why is that? Because we launched recently in the English market, and I don't know, it's complicated to explain, but I can tell you that most of my opportunity emails are very, very short. Like it would be like this, okay, pretty much. Maximum, maybe like this. Okay, so maybe like this, maximum, okay? So I will actually give you the email sequence I'm gonna use to promote this offer, this offer that you purchased. So you will have the whole sequence, okay? It should be like maybe 6 emails long, something like this. I haven't yet written the emails. So you see, you know, so that's the story, you know, how I came up with this. And that's because people in the French market, people know me really well. In the English market, not that much. So I was like, okay, I need to give more background, you know, more context to explain people where I'm coming from. So, you know, I mentioned the fact that I've been like doing this since 2010 and stuff, you know. So that's the story, how I found the solution. It's the price is $4.97, and today you can save hundreds of dollars on the regular price. And you see that I don't actually say the exact price, okay? And that's on purpose, so that people need to click to find out about the price, which was $7. So because it was a very cheap offer, a very affordable offer, I was sending people straight to a payment page with just a recap on top of the order form that was saying, okay, you're gonna get this, you know, module 1, module 2, module 3, and that's it, you know, like no sales page. So let's go back to the mind map. So that's the first email, okay, that's the opportunity. So the second email and the following emails, they're gonna be like content, okay? So you can answer a frequently asked question. For example, in the case of my friend, so his first email, the opportunity was like 40% discount on some hams that he has, okay? And I told him like, be very careful with the email subject. Is very important. So it has to convey a strong benefit, but you don't want to say everything, okay? So it was like 40%. So COVID-19, 40% discount on all some kind of hams, okay? A product line that he has. So the second email is going to be some content, because you don't want to go back and say the same thing again, okay? You want to add value, okay? So in this case, I was like, did you get some questions? He was like, yeah, I got a couple of questions about the delivery and stuff. I was like, okay, so next email, you're going to say, hey guys, even with the 40% discount, you are still going to get free delivery, okay? So you can talk about a case study, okay, how someone used your product and got results. You can tell a story. Storytelling is very important in email marketing. So how you struggled and then found a solution. If you sell a course, you can even offer the first module for free. I do it a lot. I love it. I think that almost nobody's doing it, and I think it's great, because if you have some interest in the subject, you click the link, you get right to the first video, and you watch the video. Then when the offer closes, it's very hard not to purchase, because you want to see the end, right? So the goal is to provide value, and very important, because I know some people overcomplicate things. They're gonna be like, okay, so I'm gonna write down the whole sequence and stuff. I could never do it. You have to enjoy it. Okay. During a launch, some things happen. You get some feedback, some comments. So you want to use it,